Now we can just copy this class here. You can do this, or you can just click here on this button saying copy that code to clipboard. Yeah, let me click there. And after that, I'm gonna create a file here in the data folder and then models folder. And inside of here, let me create a file that we're gonna call posts data model dot just like this. And here I'm gonna paste this code. So let me remove all of these keywords everywhere, just like this. And after that, I'm gonna generate some other functions. So the first one will be, let me say, post data model from JSON. It's gonna receive a string. Let me see, just like this. It's gonna return just like this. Yeah, it's okay. So let me create another one for the list of post data model. Let's give it a name, just like this. It's gonna receive a string, just like this. Very simple. And then, yeah, we're gonna generate this one from the list of post data model. So let's say from, and here, this on the code, we're gonna map them. And here, let's just say like this. Let me save. Yeah, it's okay. Okay guys, let's now create the post providers class for this post data. So let's say here posts data providers dart, just like this. And here let's say class post data providers. Yeah, it's okay. And here we're gonna make our function static because we want to be able to access to it without making any initialization of this post data providers class. So let's say here static, it's gonna be a future because these data are coming from the server. It's gonna return a string. Let's say get posts. We're gonna need the async keyword because it's gonna be asynchronous. And here let's say final string, let's call it row, like this. And here let's await the results. So now we can use our dio service class, this one. And here let's say requests, very simple. Here we're gonna need the method. So let's say http method, http method. It's gonna be a get requests, like this. And here let's add the endpoints. It's gonna be posts because as you can see here, this is the base URL from https to .com, but the last part here is the endpoint. So this part is the one that we have here, just there. And here below, all we have to do is to return this row, actually, just like this. So guys, now we're gonna need a class where we're gonna treat this data. after receiving them from the server. And this class will be called post data repositories. So here in the repositories folder, we're gonna create a file. Let's call it posts data repositories .darts. Yeah, very simple. And here, let's say class post data repositories. Yeah, it's okay. And here it's gonna be also static because you don't wanna be initializing anything before accessing to it. Let's say static. It's gonna be future also, but it's gonna return a list of post data model. Yeah, like this. Let's call it get posts. Very simple, very easy. It's gonna be also async. We're gonna need this async keyword because it's a future. So let's say final string rows. Okay, posts data report providers actually, and here let's say get posts. So just below here we can now use our function, the post data list model from JSON. Yeah, rows. Yeah, like this.